Hello friends. In this video, I will show you how you can create Cisco Netacad account and download latest Cisco packet tracer software to practice your networking labs. So to create account, visit Cisco Netacad website. Now select networking option from courses tab, or you can click on all courses. Now scroll down the page and select course, which is online self-placed, and click on Learn More button. Now scroll down the page and click on Sign Up Today button, and then click on Preferred Language. Now fill up the form with required information to create your account. After entering all required details, click on Create Account button. You will receive your account password on your registered email address once sign-up process got completed. Now log in with your email ID and password received on registered email address. Now click on Download Cisco Packet Tracer from Resources tab. You can also find Packet Tracer option on bottom of the page. Packet Tracer software is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can download software package as per your operating system. You can also download old version of Packet Tracer software. Once you download Cisco Packet Tracer, then install and use your Cisco email ID and password to log in.